It's my pleasure to welcome you to this roundtable on the prioritization of the government legislative agenda for the period leading up to the 2027 general elections. It is important to acknowledge that we are operating within a limited timelines and a tight physical space for the delivery of these ongoing initiatives. Given that the current term of Parliament is nearing expiry with only 2 sessions left, it is therefore imperative that we review our ongoing initiatives for the purposes of identifying priorities that can be accelerated within this period. These priority initiatives will subsequently form part of the administration's key legislative agenda for the 5th and 6th sessions of Parliament.
The State Department for Housing and Urban Development, we are involved in the issues of house development. I really want to thank the State Department of Parliamentary Affairs. You have really come to bring order into the way you handle parliamentary issues. You are telling us when we are scheduled to be in Parliament. And I really appreciate your officers for what you are doing.
So within the policy initiatives, we are actually having 3 policies. One of them is actually the Metropolitan Development Policy, but because it's still at the concept stage, that is where we are at now. The other aspect that we are having for policy initiative is the review of the National Urban Development Policy. This is going to assist us to manage metropolitan areas and also to take on board other emerging issues as far as urban development is concerned. The other policy initiative that the State Department has identified is one to title public land, reserved for civil servant housing policy. And this is to ensure we have a better way of how we manage and administer the same. On the legislative initiative, one of them we are having is an amendment to the Urban Areas and Cities Act. Then the second proposal we are having is an amendment to the Affordable Housing Act. The third instrument that we are working on the registration is amendment to the Estate Agents Act. And the fourth initiative is the slum upgrading and prevention bill.
I take this opportunity to sincerely thank the State Department for Housing and Urban Development for graciously accepting our invitation and responding to this call. We acknowledge the spirit of collaboration, highlight it as a commendable exemplification of the whole of government approach to performance management and service delivery.